Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 481 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out this NYX Bear With Me Tinted Skin Veil. And I actually picked this up at the NYX store when I was at the mall yesterday. And this cost $13 and I have it in the shade Pale Light. And this is actually the lightest shade that it comes in. It comes in 12 different shades. And I actually asked one of the people that worked at the store to shade match me. And I'm so glad I did because I would not have chosen the lightest shade for myself. But when the beautiful man tried this product on my skin, it was a perfect match. So I highly recommend being shade matched, especially if you go into the NYX store. It's very helpful and it's something that I'm going to try and do anytime I buy a foundation product because clearly I don't choose the right shades for myself. But so let me tell you a little bit more about this product. It says that it provides fresh face look, evens out skin tone, provides seamless coverage, breathable, weightless formula, luminous skin, does not streak, and provides up to 8 hours of hydration. So it sounds really nice and it's supposed to be very lightweight. It's non-comedogenic, which means it does not clog pores and cause breakouts. And I love a light coverage, something that looks very natural on the skin. So I'm hoping that's what I can get with this. And so on my skin right now, I did already moisturize and I applied my Australian Gold Mineral Lotion because I'm going to be having drinks outside with my friends and it's a beautiful sunny day. So I need to make sure that I have on sunscreen, and this does not have sunscreen in it, but I love this sunscreen right here. But for a product like this, I'm not gonna go in with a traditional primer because this is more of like a light coverage type of tinted moisturizer almost, not a full coverage foundation where I definitely need a primer. But if you want to see my review on this Australian Gold Mineral Sunscreen, I will link this down below. So I'm going to try applying this using my Dampen Beauty Sponge. So I'm just going to take a little bit onto the back of my hand. Oh my gosh. The shade it comes out, it looks like the exact same color as the packaging, like a pale pink. Yeah, this looks a lot more pink than I remember and what I was expecting. So hopefully it looks good on the skin. And I'll just go ahead and apply it to one half of my face and then we'll compare the difference in how my skin looks. The only thing is that I wish this product actually had an SPF to it. I'm really liking how this applies with the dampened sponge because by doing this dabbing motion, I think it gives me the most coverage. And I am using quite a bit of product because I really want to try and even out my skin tone. I have so much redness in my cheeks today, but I do feel like no matter how much I'm adding, the coverage is not any more buildable than it already is at the moment. Okay. So there it is, fully applied to this side of my face versus this side of my face. And there is a noticeable difference where my skin does look more even toned. Where I have large pores along my cheeks and my nose, the pores look very minimized and almost unnoticeable. Like they don't look perfect. I can still see a little bit of large pores, but that is a big improvement. And then the redness on my cheeks, I can definitely still see it, but it looks a lot better than how it looked before. And I'm really happy with the finish on my skin because the texture of my skin looks the same. There isn't cakiness. It doesn't look like I have makeup on, and that's what I was hoping for. I wanted this to look very natural, as if it is my skin, and that really is how it looks. It looks like it is my skin, just improved. It does seem like, maybe just because it's summertime, but maybe this is the way that the makeup trend is going, where the natural look is coming back into style, where it doesn't need to look like you have full coverage foundation on. And I like that. I always say I don't like it to look like I have on a product all over my skin. So something like this is perfect. It's also perfect for what I'm doing today, which is hanging out outside during the daytime. That's like the most difficult lighting to be in, but this product right here is perfect for that occasion. It gives me confidence in how my skin looks, so I feel like I look natural but enhanced. And I mean, look at that. The fairest shade in the collection is a perfect match for me, but I'm definitely going to go in with some bronzer and just add some color into my skin. I'll also go in with a concealer for my under eyes, probably a little bit along my nose and chin, those places where I do want some extra coverage. But this is what I'm going to wear on the rest of my face, because I am really happy with how my skin is looking. Also, this claims to be hydrating for 8 hours, but I like that it doesn't leave a very kind of greasy or dewy texture to the skin. The finish of this, I would say, is like a velvet finish, so my skin doesn't look shiny, but it does look healthy. I also really love this product for someone who's maybe younger and just wears a little bit of makeup, like someone in middle school or high school who's just putting on a little bit of a tinted moisturizer and some light makeup. They don't need a full coverage, full caked on foundation. I love this for someone like that. I wish I'd had this when I was in middle school and high school. I think that I would have looked a lot better if I had used a product like this. So let me know in the comments down below if you've tried this product or if you plan to, and I would love to know your thoughts on it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.